Welcome back, everyone. I somehow lucked out when I went to Target and found a stash of these. Still haven't decided whether I'm going to open them all up. I have many more. Whether I'm going to sell them, I don't know, but I know I'm going to open up some. Decided to do them in groups of 2, so let's, without further ado, break them open. Like I say, I was just walking through Walmart, was nowhere expecting them to come back out, and saw them. I was actually looking for the Fire for Topps release for baseball, and like I said, saw these, saw several of them, and spent more than I definitely should have, but great stuff can come out of this. So, box 1 there. Say $1 off, 3 Bowman single packs. So these are the packs here. These are selling for like $15 a piece online. Just the packs alone, not including the boxes. Yeah, let's without further ado, let's get breaking here. For those who know Bowman, know the prospects. It's prospect heavy. A lot of stuff in there, both prospects and non-prospects. But all right, so we got Trey Turner. There we go, Trey Turner. Danny Salazar. Joey Votto. I do like these Bowman cards. Say, just the stuff they have in the corners. Little explosions, whatever that is. Cool looking stuff. Will Myers. Evan Longoria. Alright, for the first Bowman Chrome, say Phil Bickford. And we got a Clint Frazier. Is that gray? It's a Bowman Prospects. I guess it's just the regular. Alright. Then we got a Andy Ibanez. Alex Speas and Christian Stewart. Willie Adams. There we go. I saw the Dodgers there for a second, thought it was the big man. So, Rob Segedin. Jeff Hoffman. And Ryan Healy. There we go. Andrew Benintendi. That's going to be the base there. Alex Bregman. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. That's a pretty good one. Rafael Devers. Also a good one here. Not his first Bowman, but Bowman Prospects. Brian Mundell. Don't know that one. Tristan McKenzie. And for the Rays, Willie Adams. Add to that collection there. All right. We got Giancarlo Stanton, Joey Bats, Jamison Tyone, Cole Hamels, Jake Lamb, a little darker picture there, J.D. Davis, that's a prospect, Tetsuya Yamada, .2016. I say, unless these guys are just have fences that are 300 feet all around, he's definitely hitting pretty well. Eric Jenkins, don't know him. Anderson Espinoza and Harrison Bader, both prospects. Justin Bohr, focus. There we go. So Justin Bohr, Yu Darvish, David Ortiz, Rob Gisselman, Reynaldo Lopez, Mauricio Diravan, Luis Ortiz, Francis Martes, Luis Urias, and Chris Shaw for that. And there we go. Focus. There we go. Cespedes, Andrew Miller, Nelson Cruz, Odubel Herrera, Miguel Cabrera. For the Rays, Jamie Schultz, and another Rafael Devers, Sandy Alcantara, Alex Spass, and Christian Stewart. And the Mega Box cards. This is what we're all crossing our fingers for. Already I have a redemption. Huh. That will be last. Okay, so Kevin Newman. Got a purple in the back there. Luis Almanzar. Yu Chang. The purple is a Jason Grom. That's pretty cool. Let's do this. Chrome and Jason Grom is to 250. Let's look at this real quick. Let's see. Yeah, so he's definitely a known prospect. So yeah, I guess I probably should be looking at these guys here. Okay, so Luis Almanzar is prospect 8. Sleeve him up. Kevin Newman, 70. Not as much. Yu Chang Wang, 79. Nope. Alright. So, online redemption, you are due to receive a mega autograph of Yelmir Becerra. Huh. A mega autograph. That is kind of interesting there. So, I don't see him listed, kind of looking on here back at, but that's definitely cool. Yeah, and again, these cards are just super cool looking. That I think it was Panini. I call them the Mojo autographs. If they're not the exact same, they're very similar. They look really cool. And pack number 2. Let's see. The Mega Box autograph is 1 in every 18. So it's not too bad. And the purples are 1 in every 6. So that pack really was something. And there we go. Another 250. Oh, loving it. Okay. Bo Burrows. Focus. A lot to focus on there, I understand. Come on. Alright, Bo Bureaus. Yeah. Okay, so no, he's not a big listed dude. Ahmed Rosario. He's another prospect that's pretty good. Alright, got Dylan Cousins. 39. Yep, he's listed. Again, not a numbered refractor, but talent pipeline. Anderson Espinosa, Austin Allen, and Denelson Lamet. If you're going to focus, talent pipeline there. And Rookie of the Year favorites, Jarrell Cotton to 150. The purple, I guess Mojo number down there, 218 of 250. So, box one, nice. Doesn't have everyone's big guy that they're going after, but let's see. It has delivered so far. And that's just one. Box numero dos. Oh, jeez. Getting antsy here, throwing knives around. All those. Box clean. Alright, mega box packs. Rays again. Gavin Chesini. Organizing the cards off the side here. Jake Thompson. Jose De Leon. Corey Seager. Matt Carpenter. J.D. Davis. Sam Coonrod. That's an interesting name. Reese. Pretty sure that's a high demand card. Yeah. Tristan McKenzie and Willie Adams. Trevor Story. Tim Anderson. Noah Syndergaard. Daniel Murphy. Jackie Bradley. Kyle Funkhauser. Luis Ortiz. Brian Hayes Chrome. Anderson Espinoza. And Harrison Bader. There we go. Thought that was color there. That would have been cool. Okay. Mark Trumbo. Jorge Alfaro. Orlando Arcia. Freddie Freeman from my Braves collection. Aledmus Diaz. Kyle Tucker. Yarlene Garcia. Donnie Deweys. Name sounds familiar. There you go. Brent Honeywell, not making the prettiest face there. And DJ Stewart. Jarrell Cotton. Teoscar Hernandez. Francisco Lindor. Nolan Arenado. Dylan Betances. Luis Ortiz, Chrome. Wilkerman Garcia. Tristan McKenzie. Michael Kopech. And Yoshitomo Susugo. And last pack. Alright, Troy Tulowitzki, Yulesky Gurriel, Alex Reyes, Manny Margot, Josh Donaldson, Christian Stewart, David Fletcher, Chris Shaw, Ke'Bryan Hayes, and Adrian Morjan. And here we go. Alright, we already got a rookie on the back there. Alright. Yarlin Garcia. Franklin Barrietto. Chris Shaw. Just looking at the names there. Just looking for one particular name. Uriel Hirado and Jorge Alfaro. Again, these aren't big name guys. They could be at some point in time, but just overall, super cool looking cards. And last pack of the break. Come on, something big. Dansby to 99. That's pretty cool. Nice. All right. And we got, yes. All right. So, Michael Kopech. That's definitely a good one. There we go. Got Colby Allard for my Rays, or for my Braves collection. Greg Eric. Don't know that name. And here we go. A talent pipeline. Kyle Tucker, Francis Martez, and Derek Fisher. And the big one which we all saw. Green rookie favorites. Dansby Swanson. Now, no, he's not going to make Rookie of the Year. Didn't perform quite well enough batting-wise to do that, but that was still super cool. And the talent pipeline, I don't think it's a Houston. Alright, so let's go over these here. Alright, so we got a Rhys Hoskins, Bowman Chrome base. Focus, there we go. Alright, so the Rhys Hoskins, Dylan Cousins, Mega Box, Ahmed Rosario, Mega Box base, Luis Almanzar, rookie base, Jason Groom to 250 up there. There we go. Jarrell Cotton, Rookie of the Year favorites to 250. The Dansby Swanson, Rookie of the Year favorites, green parallel to 99. Super cool. and an auto of Wilmer Becerra. So, all right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Like I said, that stuff is super cool. But again, yeah, that's probably going to be the best card of the pack here. If it doesn't want to zoom. Yeah, the green Dansby here, 99. Super cool. So, thanks again, everyone, for tuning in. Happy breaking out there. And if you like this video, always feel free to shoot me a like. Comment below. I'll comment back. Thanks.